Meet the bongo, the forest-dwelling antelope with striking orange and white stripes, resembling a living painting. Native to Africa's dense jungles, this elusive creature has adapted to a life shrouded in shadows, using its agility to evade predators. But here's the harsh reality. The bongo is endangered, facing grave threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching. With fewer than 100,000 individuals left in the wild, their future hangs in the balance. Will we let the bongo's ethereal beauty fade into memory, or can we create a protective sanctuary for its survival?